The dual capture feature on the new iPhone 17 series allows you to record videos simultaneously with both the front center stage camera and rear cameras, creating a single finished video file with a picture-in-picture, that is PIP layout. This is perfect for vlogging, reaction videos or tutorials where you want to show both yourself and the scene in front of you. In this video, I will show you how this dual capture feature works. Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. You're watching Aishwarya Live Tech. Let's get started. Now, let's see how to use the dual capture feature. Now, to enable the dual capture feature, open the camera app and switch to video mode. Tap the 6 dots icon, quick settings menu in the top right corner. Select dual capture from the options to switch it on. A floating front camera window should appear on your screen. You can also swipe from the bottom and tap on dual capture. Once enabled for the first time, a quick dual capture toggle icon will usually appear in the top right of the video screen for easier access in the future. Now you can see the picture-in-picture layout. The rear camera fills the main frame and the front camera feed appears in a smaller floating window. While recording, you can drag the front camera PIP window around the screen with your finger. This movement is saved in the final video. You can also shoot the videos in landscape mode and move the PIP window anywhere around the screen. You can still use the rear camera zoom, 0.5x, 1x, 2x, 4x and even 8x optical zoom levels, while the dual capture mode is active. You can record in 1080p or 4K resolution at either 24 or 30 frames per second. Now what you can do with this dual capture? Unboxing experience. You can film unboxing of a new gadget or a product with the rear camera while recording your reaction in PIP window. Vlog and travel highlights. Film a scenic view or landmark with the main camera while narrating or reacting in the corner. Demonstrate moving the PIP window to avoid blocking the best part of the view. Cooking and DIY tutorial. You can use the main camera to show your hands and the steps like mixing the ingredients, and PIP window to explain the next step. Then before and after reaction. Film an event or scene like a surprise and capture your genuine reaction simultaneously. What do you think of this dual capture feature? Have you used it? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos like this and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.